Hello everyone, in this video for the first time I am doing my manicure with dip powders. I haven't done manicure with dip powders before, so let's do it together. I have received this kit with whole of the products that I need to use for the dip powder manicure. The first thing was the base, the second step is seal, then glow, and then heal. All these products are from GlamrDip. I have also received some of the nail brushes in this kit and two dip powders. One is the Moon Magic and the other one is Trophy. Then I have this brush which is really soft, this cuticle pusher, and two nail files. One is 240 grit and the other one is 100 to 180 grit. So the very first step is prepping. You should do the perfect prepping of the nails so that your nails don't lift and they last for the longer period of time. And your very first thing you have to do with the grits is to smoothen the edges because they can injure you. And then shape the nails, push the cuticles back so that all the dead skin gets off and there will be no lifting. Use 180 grit to buff the nails. Don't use 240 because this will give you smoothened surface and the manicure would not last longer, or 100 would damage your nail bed. So use 180, buff the nails, then use acetone to remove all the dust, nail brush, use dehydrator and acid free primer. This is the very important step for any manicure. Then the first step would be base application. Apply smooth and thin layer of base. Then with the support of the bottle, dip your thumb at the 45-degree angle in the powder and take off the extra powder. Then dip your thumb in the other powder and get that perfect French tip look with this dip powder. I can't imagine I can do it perfectly. But look how it turned out to be. This is so cute. Take out all the extra powder you have with the help of the brush and ta-da, this is your French tip with dip powder. Oh my god. And if you have any powder in the edges, remove that before sealing because if once you seal it, it would be hard for you to buff that extra powder in the edges or in the cuticle area. So take out all the extra powder in the cuticle area or in the edges with the help of the cuticle pusher, or you can also use the toothpick for that. And then after cleaning the areas, then again apply a thin layer of base coat and repeat this step on every finger once again for that perfect look. Also, if you are not doing French tip or any design, you want only one solid color, then you need to dip your finger or your nail at a 90-degree angle in the dip powder so that you can cover all of your nail in once like this. Also, this kit includes vegan and cruelty free products, but you still need to go through the ingredients if you are allergic to any kind of chemical. After this, move to the second step, which is seal. And also, if you have any doubt regarding the steps, you can use the instructions manual which comes with the kit. Seal will strengthen the powder, dip powder, and it will get that dip powder the hardening effect. The dip powder will get hardened, you won't get any smoothness. You need to buff your nails after 2 to 3 minutes of one layer of seal. Buff your nail, get it shaped, and then apply the second layer of seal step. For 2 to 3 minutes, you need to wait, and then the third step will be glow. Apply a thin layer of glow, and then wait for 2 to 3 minutes to get it set. Then after 2 to 3 minutes, you need to apply another layer of glow, and this will give you the perfect look. Then next, the last step would be heal. Apply the heal lotion to your cuticles and massage your cuticles for the better and healthy cuticles and nail health. And ta-da, this is the final look. I was doing it for the first time, and this is really easy using the GlamrDip powders. See, the manicure turned out to be amazing. Also, if you think that the UV lamps are harmful for your skin or they give you heat spikes, then this kit is perfect for you and it is really easy to use. Thank you so much. Bye bye.